Are black-eyed peas good for diabetics? Black-eyed peas, also known as cowpeas, are a nutritional legume that can be a beneficial addition to the diet of individuals with diabetes. Their nutritional profile, which includes a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber and protein, makes them a valuable food for managing blood sugar levels and supporting overall health. Black-eyed peas are rich in several essential nutrients. A half-cup serving contains significant amounts of folate, which means vitamin B9, iron, magnesium, potassium and dietary fiber. They also provide a good source of vitamin A and K and trace the minerals such as manganese and copper. This combination of nutrients supports various aspects of health, including blood sugar control, heart health and digestion. Low glycemic index and glycemic load. Black-eyed peas have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood glucose levels compared to high GI foods. The glycemic load of black-eyed peas is also low, making them an excellent choice for diabetics who need to manage their blood sugar levels carefully. High fiber content. Dietary fiber is crucial for people with diabetes as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Black-eyed peas are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, potentially helping with weight management. Protein-rich. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it also helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. Black-eyed peas provide a plant-based protein source, making them an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their intake of animal products. Rich in antioxidants. Black-eyed peas contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. This is particularly beneficial for diabetics as chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked to the progression of diabetes and its complications. Support heart health. The potassium and magnesium in black-eyed peas help regulate blood pressure, while high fiber content supports healthy cholesterol levels. How to incorporate black-eyed peas into a diabetic diet? Let's see how to incorporate black-eyed peas into a diabetic diet. There are various ways to include black-eyed peas in your meals. They can be used in salads, soups, stews, or as a side dish. Here are some tips for incorporating them into a diabetic-friendly diet. Salads. Add black-eyed peas to a salad for protein and fiber boost. Combine them with leafy greens, vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. Soups and stews. Use black-eyed peas in soups and stews. They pair well with vegetables, lean meats, and spices, making for a hearty and nutritious meal. Side dishes. Prepare black-eyed peas as a simple side dish. They can be seasoned with herbs and spices or mixed with other legumes and grains for a varied texture and flavor. Dips and spreads. Mash black-eyed peas into a hummus-like dip, adding garlic, lemon juice, and tahini for a healthy snack option. When using canned black-eyed peas, opt for low-sodium or no-sodium versions to avoid excessive salt intake. If using dried peas, soak them overnight and cook thoroughly to ensure they are easy to digest and to maximize nutrient absorption. In conclusion, incorporating black-eyed peas into a diabetic diet offers numerous benefits due to their low glycemic index, high fiber and protein content, and rich nutrient profile. They help manage blood sugar levels, support heart health, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. By adding black-eyed peas to various dishes, diabetics can enjoy a versatile and healthful food that aids in the management of their condition and overall health. For more detailed information on the nutritional benefits and ways to cook black-eyed peas, you can visit sources like the Diabetes Council, Livestrong, Very Well Health, and Dr. X. Thank you very much.